Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Effort Gardener. Today I'm going to be planting up some peppers in the garden beds. Let's get into it. So like I said, I'm going to be planting some peppers in the garden beds. I'm really excited because it's like becoming a reality that the season has officially changed. Today is May 5th, it's Cinco de Mayo, and I've already prepped this bed. I've added about 1 inch to 2 inches of compost, and this is where I'm going to be putting my pepper plants. Now, unfortunately, I ran out of tags, and so I'm going to have to kind of get creative on how I'm going to tag these to make sure that I know what they are, because we all know that, I struggle with remembering what I planted and what I put in certain places. So I'm excited to get started. So I'm going to be planting this jalapeno. Now I'm just going to tap on the bottom. Look at that. So it looks like there's another one on there. I'm not sure what that is, but all this is not going to go inside. You see, when I break it, when I touch it, the soil starts to kind of break off. And so I'm actually just going to be planting this much of it. So you see, a bunch of it came off, so I'm only going to be planting this much. So I went ahead and I dug my hole. Peppers don't have to be dug as deep. I'm just going to go as deep as this is right here. So I'm just going to place it inside. And fill in the dirt around it. And I'm gonna do that for all of the ones that I have to plant. I'm under a tree because it started raining. This is what I wanted. So basically, if you wait for it to rain, you don't have to go through and first of all water your plants or water your transplants. And rainwater is actually better for your plants than like water from the tap or water from the hose. So this is what I wanted. I was trying to go pretty fast so I would be able to get them in before it started raining. And I was able to get a bunch of them in. I was not able to get all the plants in, but I will be planting the rest of the plants after, well, probably tomorrow, because y'all will probably see this video either in the morning or late tonight. I don't know. But yeah, this is what I was trying to do. Yeah.